Welcome to Attingo. Today, in this spot, we receive and we share with you daily insights on everything financial. My name is Diana Feliz, and Joyce Padilla together are joining you today. Hey.
Hi, guys. Today, let's talk property insurance. So pay attention, business owners, and find out if property rebates are coming.
That's right. We're going to have an expert, an awesome expert that you already know. We're going to welcome Jessica Visser. She's a chartered insurance professional. She's a registered insurance broker and instructor for the Insurance Institute of Canada with over 15 years of experience in both the direct and the broker channel. Jessica, welcome back.
Hi, thank you. Thank you both so much for having me back again today. This is great.
Our pleasure. Hey, Joyce, we can't hear you.
It's a pleasure to have you. So, Jessica, tell us, are there any property rebates? You can't hear me?
No. Now we
can. You hear me now?
Go ahead. Yes.
Hello?
We got it.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know what happened. You know, this online yeah, it can be glitchy. So thank you, Jessica, for coming again. Are there any rebates for property taxes right now, for property insurance at this moment?
So I know that we did go through a high-level overview on what's happening with auto insurance earlier this week. The property insurance is a little bit of a different idea. So there isn't necessarily a way for insurers to say, hey, this is what's happening now. People are home. And how does that impact the possibility of a claim on a property? So for regular homeowners, you might feel, hey, you know what? I'm home all the time now, so nobody's going to break into my house. But the reality is there might be a bigger chance that you're going to set your kitchen on fire now that you're cooking at home all the time. And it certainly doesn't help stop anything from happening, like, say, a windstorm. Okay. So on the property insurance side, it's less likely that we're going to see any kind of percentage-based rebates on premium. Now, unlike auto, I know we also went into discussing, who do I call? What should I do?
Exactly.
And,
what do you do?
And so, we were talking about how the best way is to just check out the website, go to your insurer website or your broker's website and see their detail page on the COVID-19 response. So on property, however, a lot of people own more than one property. You may be a business owner and you may have a store and you may also have a cottage property. It's very important.
I don't have any of those. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So for those of you who do, it is important. And this time, unlike auto, I am going to suggest that you call. So if your property, any of your property locations are going to be vacant or unoccupied for an extended period of time due to the restrictions of COVID-19, or something is going to impact you that prevents you from maintaining your property, this is a phone call. These situations are so varied that it's a phone call to your broker, it's a discussion, and then a plan can be put in place. And insurers are cooperating. They understand that this is a very unique, unprecedented situation. And so definitely give your broker a call. We'll work with you, work with your insurer so that we can make sure that the property is as safe and protected and maintained as possible.
And, it really makes an impact when you do call your broker because you get the answers directly. Is there a law that says that they have to make changes, or it's totally up to the insurer?
So there is part of your contract that requires you beyond a period of usually 30 days, depending on your contract. So you do have to check the particular wordings that you have, that you are, as a property owner, business owner of a property, required to maintain that property, ensure that it's safe, ensure the security systems are running and working, that the water is turned off, that the pipes are drained. There are certain provisions that, as a policyholder, as the contract holder, you are accountable to. And some of those things, again, it's particular depending on each and every contract and property, that some may be more difficult to abide by during the lockdown.
Okay, so you are with Bryson Insurance and Associates, and if anybody does want to get a recommendation, a second opinion with you, they can reach out to you, but it's really with their own individual broker, correct?
That's right.
Maybe not a good time to change.
Yes, we are here to serve the public and serve our community. Absolutely. However, if your business isn't currently with Bryson, you do need to contact your broker because they will be the one to assist you in figuring out, do I need to notify my insurer? Am I going outside of those number of days that are automatically provided by my contract? Do I have additional responsibilities, or is there something that can be adjusted specifically for this time?
Which, if you're not calling, oh, sorry, go ahead, Joyce.
No. I just had a question that just came to my mind now. Just thinking now that we're in the COVID and all that, I don't know any particular cases as like this, but like if a business had to close down due to any possible contamination or anything like that, is it possible to argue a claim if the virus had contaminated that building, like as a physical damage? Like, are there any measures?
Or their home or rental?
So are you asking about business interruption insurance?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if they had to be interrupted their operations because of this, if there was a contamination.
Yes. So business interruption insurance is widely used and widely available. However, specific coverage for pandemic losses is not specifically included in the standard wordings. This would have been a conversation you would have had with your risk manager, your broker at the time that you purchased the coverage. And if you added it as an additional coverage to your business interruption policy, there's a chance that there would be coverage. Again, each company has different wordings and different scenarios when a claim is made or for any particular situation. So this again is the kind of situation that really stresses the importance for you to have an open and honest and very close relationship with your business insurance manager through your brokerage, having a risk manager handle these types of contracts and wordings for your business.
Well, listen, for everyone who has to call somewhere else.
Okay, so then it is important that
Sorry.
Diana,
there's just a little overlap there.
Sorry, Joyce. Go ahead, wrap that up, Joyce.
Yeah.
No. I was just going to say that then it is important to just contact your broker or your whoever your representative is for this, because every case is very unique.
That's right.
Right?
Mm-hmm. That's right. Yeah. So I was going to say that if you're not calling, you're calling another broker, too bad, because it would be awesome if you were to speak to Jessica. And I'll tell you why. Because last time she was on, we sent her a referral for car insurance because we were talking about car insurance, and we got the most lovely response back because you solved the problem that was like a high risk. It ended up being a medium risk, and the person ended up you sorted out something. I don't know what magic you did there, but it was really special. And the person was so grateful that they responded back, and I had to let you know, and it was just really awesome.
Yes, thank you so much for the referral, Diana. That was very nice. And your referral, she was lovely to deal with. And, I would love to say that I perform magic, but really it's professional experience and there's no substitute for that. So definitely make sure you know who you're dealing with. How long have they been in the business? How long have they been in the industry? What is their education level and experience like? You are doing yourself a disservice if you are not researching the professionals that you're working with.
Thank you so much, Jessica.
Thank you.
Bryson Insurance and Associates are there to help you. If you do want to reach out, please do send a comment, and we will definitely put you in contact with Jessica. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
So here at Attingo, we're doing Attingo Talks on a daily basis, and Attingo is your source for life insurance, for critical illness insurance, for investments. And if you need a second opinion with regards to your investments, if you need to review your life insurance, if you want to top up your critical illness insurance, this is a really good time. Call me and let's talk.
Yes, so I know everyone has different, certain situations. So this is a really good time if you need any financial advice or a second opinion, just a second opinion, reach out to Diana. She's, who she is. She's awesome. Just 15-minute call with her. So we're going to put the links in the comments below if you want to schedule an appointment. No attachment, they're just a simple advice. So it was a pleasure today, guys.
See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today here on Attingo Talks.